going to show you how to set the text color in a table in the Numbers app. First, we have to open up the app, and here we have a document with some tables in it. From here, we just click on the table that we want to edit. Here we have a few options that we can set. Here we click on text, and here we click on text color, and here we can select one that we like this, and here let's type something. Here we can select the color for the text, like this. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.